In set builder form, all the elements are note listing. All the elements are specifying by a common property. All the elements are specifying by a common property. For example, if we are talking about a set of vowels, so how we can represent this in set builder form? X such that X be a vowel. In this way, means we will write a common property within a curly braces. In this way we can represent a set. Now two ways are there. First one is set builder form. Second one we have done earlier, tabular or roster form. Clear both the way how we can representing a set, or any doubt is there? Now see some examples of a set. Firstly, keep this thing in your mind that the word best character, most talented, most dangerous, these words are not considerable. These words are not considerable in sets. Already I have given you one example. One thing keep in your mind, car set will not vary from person to person. Whatever one will say about that particular set, another one will also say about the same thing for that particular set. That's why I wrote here some point. Sometimes they have written a most dangerous, most talented, best character, best person. That point words are not considerable in sets. For example, see some mathematical sets. Mathematical sets of whole natural number. Set of whole natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinite. It's a set of natural numbers. Some mathematical sets are there. Then whole numbers. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinite. Then set of integers are there. -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinite. Minus infinite to infinite. So these are some mathematical sets which you have already done. Then set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. If difficult to represent a set in tabular form, then we can represent this set in roster form. That's why we are having a two representation. Some sets we will represent in set builder form, some sets we will represent in tabular form, and some sets we will represent in both the way, set builder form also and tabular form also. Now see second example, Q. Now X such that X be a rational number. In this way you can represent a rational number or the number in the form of P by Q, where P, Q belongs to Z and Q is not equal to 0 and PQ are co-prime. Co-prime are those which are having no common factor other than 1. So by this way we can represent a set of rationals. Clear? Clear बच्चे? These are some mathematical sets. बच्चे tabular form we can't write ना. Lot of rational numbers are there. That's why I told you, some numbers we can write in roster form, some we will write in set builder form, some we can write in both the way. Here if you will write the very less elements, its proper represent you will get in set builder form. Same in the case of irrational number, they are denoted by T x such that x belongs to be a irrational numbers. Same in the case of real, x such that x belongs to be a real number. In this way you can represent these mathematical sets.